Average electricity prices are breaking records nationwide. Millions of households are opening their monthly statements to find a number that puts immediate stress on budgets. It's tempting to blame a single hallway light left on or a few extra cycles of the dishwasher, but those minor habits rarely explain a significant spike in costs. Your home fights thermodynamics constantly. Conditioned air bleeds out while outside climates push in, forcing electrical components to react. But this structure isn't isolated. It sits on a sprawling network of neighborhood grid lines and global supply chains dictating the price of every kilowatt. Lowering these costs requires mapping the exact flow of power, from the global grid down to the tiny standby light on your television. Your bill compounds long before a single electron reaches your street. Utility companies are spending billions on mandatory upgrades to aging electrical substations, and the cost of the natural gas used to generate that power fluctuates wildly on the global market. The explosive growth of artificial intelligence is also driving demand through new power-hungry data centers. These facilities require enormous amounts of 24/7 energy, and those infrastructure costs are being passed directly to residential consumers. All of these macro pressures funnel into your home through one specific gateway, your electricity meter. If you have an older, mechanical meter, you can test its accuracy by shutting off your home's main breaker. If the metal disc inside continues to spin, the unit is defective and registering usage that isn't actually happening. Even a functioning mechanical meter has a major limitation. It only measures the total volume of electricity used, ignoring the critical factor of when you used it. That timing is the basis of time-of-use pricing. Many utility companies now charge drastically higher rates during the late afternoon and early evening, when regional demand on the grid is at its highest. Without a clear view of the grid's pricing schedule, you are likely paying premium surge rates for basic daily tasks like doing laundry or running the oven. Inside the home, the HVAC system is almost always the single largest drain on your budget, frequently accounting for half of your total electricity usage. Dropping the thermostat to 16 degrees Celsius doesn't cool a room faster. The machine works at the same speed regardless of the target. Keeping it at a 24-degree sweet spot allows the compressor to maintain comfort without constant high-wattage strain. Supplementing the AC with a ceiling fan creates a wind chill effect that physically alters how temperature feels on your skin. This makes a higher thermostat setting feel several degrees cooler for a fraction of the operating cost. These machines struggle most when the thermal envelope is compromised. Tiny gaps under doors and around window frames act like vacuums, pulling in hot outside air while letting your expensive, conditioned air escape. Because of these leaks, the HVAC system may never reach its target temperature. It runs continuously, abandoning its rest cycles and driving up your daily kilowatt-hour consumption. Closing dark curtains during peak daylight hours blocks direct solar radiation from superheating the interior. This pre-cooling strategy ensures the AC starts from a much lower baseline once the sun sets. Additionally, a dusty AC filter acts as a physical chokehold, forcing the motor to draw significantly more electricity to move air through the system. An overworked HVAC is a machine struggling to maintain a baseline in a structure that simply cannot hold its air. Household appliances add another layer of cost. A refrigerator built 10 years ago often consumes twice the energy of a modern unit built to current Energy Star efficiency standards. Even new devices contribute to a phantom load. This is the power modern electronics secretly siphon from the wall, even when they appear to be turned off. In a pitch-black room, you can see the evidence of this drain. Every standby light, plugged-in charger, and idle console is actively drawing current. These small, constant draws collectively account for up to 10% of a household's total monthly electricity consumption. In the modern era, a home is rarely off. It is constantly consuming expensive power while its occupants sleep. Lowering your utility bill requires outsmarting the system's built-in inefficiencies, rather than making radical lifestyle sacrifices. Adopting a time-of-use strategy involves shifting high-draw tasks like laundry and dishwashing to late-night off-peak hours when electricity is at its cheapest rate. Using smart power strips for entertainment centers and home offices physically severs the electrical connection when devices are idle, instantly eliminating the phantom load. By sealing the home's thermal envelope, maintaining air filters, and timing your heaviest loads, you can systematically reduce the waste in the ecosystem. Managing the home as an integrated system turns confusing monthly expenses into a predictable, optimized budget. Subscribe to The Explainer for more deep dives into the systems that run our world.